Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you find support for TikTok. If you want to find support for TikTok, you'll need to follow these simple steps. So first thing first, what you have to do is to begin with, you want to make sure to open up your TikTok application. Alright then, after which you want to make sure to tap on the profile section from the bottom of the page or from the bottom right corner of your screen. So when you do this, you want to tap on the profile initials from the top right hand side corner of your screen. Click on settings and privacy from the list. Or else what you could do is just tap on the menu bar and then you could see TikTok settings and privacy, right? So once again, click on it. And on this section, you want to scroll down to the bottom and there you have these support and about. You could go ahead and click on report problem, support or terms and policies. So simply go ahead and select it accordingly and make sure to go ahead and follow the on-screen prompt. And this way you'll be able to contact support for TikTok. And if you're not able to access your TikTok account, then you could also use the browser. Type in TikTok support. And over here, you'll be able to find the link support.tiktok.com. You go and click on it and accordingly follow the on-screen prompt. And this is the way you could find support for TikTok. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.